The zesty world of lemon tea. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic, lemon tea. Many English phrases are straightforward, but sometimes they carry cultural or contextual significance. Let's explore what lemon tea means and how to use it. Lemon, a yellow, oval-shaped fruit known for its sour taste. It's rich in vitamin C and is often used in cooking and beverages. Tea, a popular beverage made by boiling or steeping tea leaves or tea bags in hot water. Depending on the region, tea might be sweetened or unsweetened and can be served hot or cold. When combined, lemon tea refers to tea that has been flavored with the juice or slices of lemon. It's a delightful combination of the robust flavors of tea with the tangy zest of lemon. In many cultures, lemon tea is more than just a drink. It represents hospitality. Offering tea to guests is a sign of welcome. By adding lemon, hosts provide an extra touch of flavor, showing care for their guests' experience. Moreover, in some cultures, lemon tea is believed to have health benefits, such as aiding digestion or soothing a sore throat. So, when someone suggests lemon tea, it might also be an act of care and concern for well-being. To understand a phrase better, it's always good to see it in action. Here are a few sentences where lemon tea is used. 1. Would you like some lemon tea to soothe your throat? 2. My favorite way to start the morning is with a cup of lemon tea. 3. At the spa, they served us chilled lemon tea after our massage. We've ventured into the world of lemon tea today. It's not just a delightful beverage but also carries cultural significance in many parts of the world. The next time you come across lemon tea, remember the warmth, hospitality, and care it represents. We hope this explainer adds a zest of knowledge to your English learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!